Also, the headlines today are crowded with deadly wildfires, coral killing ocean temperatures, and rare tropical storms. Sad stories can often seem like someone else's problem.
But tonight, meteorologist Emily Sutton is joining us to talk about a common thread in all of those things with us. Emily, how do those disasters tie into Oklahoma?
Well, guys, we talk a lot about weather extremes here in the Forewarned Storm Center. But tonight, we're talking about the climate. The difference between weather and climate is very important because we experience weather every day, but we calculate climate. The climate is the long-term weather pattern, averages for temperatures and rainfall over the decades.
I remember when Bill and I first got married, it was 30 cents a gallon.
Jacqueline Pope's great-grandfather homesteaded here 100 years ago.
Raised kids and cattle and wheat mainly.
Back then, it was Kiel, Oklahoma. The name changed after World War I. But today, it's the climate changing at an alarming rate.
Lately, the last few years, we haven't had much of any snow out here. We've got so dry. It just didn't seem like the same place.
Warm, dry La Nina winters have punished the wheat crop and demanded ranchers haul water to cattle.
We've always had nutty weather in the southern plains. You know, hell, where the wind comes sweeping down the plains, it's interstate song. But basically what's happened is the crazy weather we've always had has gotten shot full of steroids.
Without consistent cold, insects migrate north, which means more disease and a shaky bottom line for struggling family farms.
At the end of the day, you don't have to believe in climate change to believe in droughts and floods. Nature doesn't till. I mean, God doesn't own a plow, and he has a pretty good crop every year. I mean, at the end of the day, you need to mimic nature. That's what we're trying to do.
In the past 20 years, many Oklahoma farmers have switched to no-till agriculture and cover crops. Both ward off another dust bowl.
The nice thing, at least from an agriculture standpoint, 9 times out of 10, the same things that you want to do to adapt to extreme weather also helps mitigate climate change.
This is just one ranch and one story. But the big picture shows more weather extremes for Oklahoma. Climate experts say it's already happening.
Many of us in Oklahoma talk about the crazy weather that we're experiencing now. That is an example of the kind of extremes that we're already noticing here in our state. But down the road, that is going to be normal to our grandchildren. But they will experience even greater extremes. And that's what really worries me is for future generations.
Welcome to the South Central Climate Adaptation Science Center in Norman.
The data is very clear. So people who doubt the data should probably take a closer look at it.
Over the next 50 years, USGS climate models confirm Oklahoma can expect our average temperatures to be hotter by 2 to 5 degrees.
This is projected change in the number of days over 100 degrees.
On average, an additional 10 100-degree days for Oklahoma City.
Modeling shows that in the western part of the state, we could see as much as a 10% decrease in our rainfall by mid-century.
When it does rain, it'll come in more intense storms, followed by flash drought. Climate whiplash will test the resolve of Oklahoma farmers.
We have shown in the past that we can deal with natural resource challenges. You know, by changing our methods through research, through new technology. I think we can get there, but we're not going to get there if we put our heads in the sand and don't recognize that we've got a problem we have to deal with. And I think that's the biggest challenge.
They'll survive. We're survivors. We've been here a long time.
Adapting to extremes and taking action to protect our land, our economy, our planet. Yep. Thank you to the Pope family for interviewing there.
Centennial Farm, that's
yes,
pretty cool.
It's amazing. Well, climate experts say there's high confidence in their model outcomes, but it's not set in stone. We can all do our part to take care of our planet. Go to projectdrawdown.org for ways you can help. We can all help take care of our planet. Yes.
Not many people tougher and more resourceful than Oklahoma farmers.
Yeah,
yes.
Generations upon generations.
Yes, amazing. And I love how she said, we're survivors.
Yes.
Exactly.
That's important. And we have switched from a rare triple dip of La Nina now over to El Nino. That's part of the reason our summer's been so extreme with the ups and downs and the rains and the heat. Usually El Nino inhibits tropical storm formation, but in this instance, because of the record warmth of the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, we're seeing these strengthen, and that's happening right now. So all the latest from the tropics, what's happening with Florida coming up.
A very timely report. Thank you.
Em, thank you.